Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting the track or region that contains the vocal or instrument. In the editor, enable Flex Pitch so Garageband analyzes pitch. This converts audio into editable note blobs. Once done, zoom in to a tighter grid like 1/4 or 1/8 to isolate notes cleanly, because fine control prevents accidental edits. Make sure the waveform and the pitch markers are visible. You'll need both to see pitch shifts and format behavior as you work. Now you edit notes. Click a pitch blob to select it, then drag up or down to move by semitones for clear transposition. For subtle corrections, use the fine-tune handle to move by sense. This preserves naturalness. Also, adjust vibrato and strength controls if available, because changing pitch can alter character. Use smooth, small adjustments and play the section repeatedly. That helps you judge whether tuning sounds musical versus robotic and ensures timing remains intact. For finalizing, use track transpose when you need a global change across regions. It's quick and preserves relative intervals. Once done, add subtle automation or a pitch correction plugin for consistent tuning across phrases. If you hear digital artifacts or vowel distortion, reduce the pitch shift amount or tweak format settings to restore natural timbre. Artifacts often mean you push the pitch too far. If problems persist, revert the edited clip and try smaller incremental edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.